Oil provides maximum penetration for lubrication, but doesn't cling. Grease stays in place, but is difficult to apply, won't penetrate, and attracts damaging dirt and grime. Veloplex from Kimball Midwest is designed to penetrate, stick, and stay clean. Veloplex is a wax film delayed viscosity lubricant that penetrates hard-to-reach places like a light oil. It sets up to a thick, dry, wax-based, friction-reducing coating. Veloplex is designed to withstand high pressures and work in severe environments. Veloplex is a high-performance lubricant that clings to moving surfaces and won't make a mess. As a dry, wax-based lubricant, it resists attracting damaging dirt and abrasive particles. Sprays thin, sets up thick, and stays dry to keep clean. Veloplex from Kimball Midwest. To learn more about our complete line of lubricants, contact your local Kimball Midwest representative.